This is the basis of, at least the starting point of the KIP program and the WOW experience that we're trying to develop. Obviously this is the logoed 3x5 mats that go at each door. This is the sales folder that we've been using for a long time. As you can see, good KIP things in here, oriental area rugs, people you can trust, and so on and so forth. This is the folder that the specialists hand to the client after the work, which includes referral certificates, dirty carpet vacuum labels, and explanation of the referral program. And of course then there's a very good 5-around program that we use. We've put them in these little plastic bags. So this is the start of the end result of the actual printing and all that program, but that's that part of it. So this is where the organization happens. That this is Kathleen's office, and Annette's right next door, who keep all the KIP programs operating perfectly. This is just part of our office here. I'm going to take you around. Kathleen is working on some print jobs that we keep. Everything we have is kept in these pigeonholes, and Kathleen, maybe explain, is there a particular organization? I see the little circles.
Yeah, we have everything labeled both with their names, we have everything numbered, and there's also a labeling system that Annette put together to label things as being a marketing piece or being an internal piece, a team form or a procedural form, as well as there's an additional line for large folders that we have our sales pieces put into for both before and after when we go out to see a client. That way it makes for easy pulling things out when you're going to put all those folders together. The numbers also all coincide with the file that we have on our computer, so that we can easily find specific files as well as open them up and print them and everything for an easy procedure for the actual printing.
We'll show them that file afterwards.
Afterwards.
This whole wall here probably cost all of $90. There's 2 shelves just put against the wall.
Yeah.
And these are just cardboard, but I mean they've been 3 years here and they work just fine. Now this is some of the printing that's been done. Virtually everything we can do, we do an 8.5 by 11 by 17 to cut the printing costs. Now folks using the free color printer, it only prints 8.5 by 11, and that's what we did for ever so long. So it works just fine. This just keeps our cost down a little bit. There's our print machine here that we use. So this area we try to keep fairly organized. These are ready to use sales folders. Now we do use a boardroom table to put those together. You do tend to have to spread out a little bit. So that's, I mean, the WOW system and the KIP is just, it's a collection of some great marketing pieces, but having them readily available and in an organized fashion has really helped us make sure that it happens all the time. So Kathleen and Annette have developed an Excel file that lists everything that's in the KIP program, and she talked about, I don't know whether it shows, but she talked about numbers
all down the side.
All down the side. That corresponds to the storage thing, and there is description of the various what the product is.
Yeah, the name.
What weight of the paper we use. Go ahead, Kathleen.
Yeah, so it's the product name, the paper that we use, the weight of the paper, because we do have a variety of weights depending on if it's a marketing piece or an internal piece that we use. We also have a variety of printers that we use, so we have the actual print setups for each of them, for each different printer, so that anybody can just go in here and look, and it shows you exactly how to set up the printer properties, how to put in the paper, orientation of the paper, and then any additional comments about folding with our folding machine that we have, and for cutting. All of that is all down here. The last column here actually has the link to the file, so you can just click here and it will open up. It'll open up the file for you. So then you can go directly in here and print from that whole cool listing.
Thanks, Kathleen.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that's behind the organized part of the KIP program, and we've been following this program now for 6-7 years. We keep refining it a little bit every year. It certainly didn't look like this when we started, and there's still always improvements we'd love to make. But that's what we're doing now, and if anybody has any questions or would like any of our forms or files, all you have to do is get a hold of us. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.